Namaste. Yesterday we have seen the foundational stage timetable from 3 years to 6 years. There we came across the pre-numeracy, elementary literacy, work time. So, and organize there is multiple ways to organize a daily routine and the child initiated and teacher guided activities. When we say about the teacher guided activities, something more I have to tell about. And so that is, there should be a balance between, the document says there should be a balance between child initiated and teacher guided activities. And that is whole group, the activities they will engage as whole group, small group, individual group, pair activities, and we have learned already that work time where the children are allowed independently to choose the activity they would like to engage with, and the teacher will observe according to the observations. The next activity to an individual child is created, that we have seen yesterday, that is in the previous video. So here how the activities can be given to the whole group, how the small group and individual group or pair activities, two of them can be given the activities, and altering activities. And I have seen one order also, quieter activity after physical activity. After having physical strain, physical activity outside, most often this physical activity take place outside the classroom, and after the activity there should be a quieter activity. Sit, calm and do the work. Quieter activity. Then group activity after individual activity. This group activity after individual activity, that is something more carefully done. That way some individual activity can be given where concentration is needed more. That after that individual activity, group activity can be given. This is the order given in the document that I am reading. Then indoor activity after outdoor activity. Yes. So quieter activity after physical activity, then quieter activity, then outdoor activity, then indoor activity, then individual activity, then group activity. Like that there should be a sequence. It may be better for the children and for the discipline of the class also. So just from the outside they are entering in, all on a sudden give the children a task that is you do this, or draw the picture, paint the picture, or collect it and count it, like that. And as it is small children, it is not so easy to count, but at least they can identify and familiarize with what they got. Some toys can be given, some materials can be given with different shapes, ask them to make an arrangement like that. Some some puzzles can be given, so they will quietly they will do that. So art, craft, outdoor play and free play, that is free play must have adequate time and focus in the day. And yesterday I talked to a principal who is my friend. She told that when they play outside, small children, they used to collect, that is stones, leaves. I mean, it is not plucking the leaves, but the leaves found on the ground. And whatever they like, whatever they found interest, they will collect it. And sometimes small bits of paper, like that, they will something tingling or like that, whatever they found interest, or whatever what are attracted to them, they will collect and show to the teacher. And so here, and when they are doing the outside play, write the numbers, write the letters, draw different shapes on the ground and use different colors. With this, you can ask the children, is with a line, you can form a line and ask them, first 5 of them come and stand on this, on this like that they can say square or this, then after all you can say it is a rectangle. Like that you can ask them. It is not initially you cannot teach them, just come and stand there, first five, then second five, third five, like that. Or ask them, those who are interested, you can show particular letter also, those who her name starts A, come and stand here. So more people may be there. Or those who like this, come and stand in this column. Or you can ask, say specific color can be given there, their color. Here I just taken a combination of green, red, and this type of purple to identify that we are talking about the foundational stage, that is why. So like that, come and be C, like that you can give. So the automatically they will understand the shape, automatically they will find out what is a color, and they will understand what is a letter, and so they will engage and they may be interested what the teacher is going to say, and next what will happen, and or ask them to collect it from that. So the children may be that much happy to collect or engage or explore the environment. That is the most important thing here, what we have to remember. And another thing is that here I have written specific instructions is they can collect it, stones, leaves, etc. from the ground or from toy room. They can give specific instructions, can be given according to the color, shape, number, etc. So drawing on the ground is very important, that the children will find out. They will find easily to accommodate with that. You can ask, is where I wrote 1, go and stand, where is it 1, where is 2, where is 3, where is 4, like that. Children, and as an individually you can call them and say, okay, go to the column 1, go to the column 3, go to the column 5, like that. They will carefully listen and they will do that, and the children can stand and clap that child. So individual activity can also be become so interesting. So, and also ask them to talk about what they attained, what they got, what color it is, like that. So automatically they will come with the elementary literacy. I told you elementary literacy means that is from home, the daycare, and the preschooling. They started to understand some letters, started to understand some numbers, and so these attributes later, they will understand the numeracy and they will understand the literacy. So regarding this is 3 to, I'm talking about 3 to 6 here. And yesterday I forgot to tell you about one thing. This break time after 12, that is 1 o'clock to 1:45, lunch break, and 3 to 4 years children can go home. If they want, they can go home. Here also it is given 3 to 5. I don't know whether I read it like that. Ages 3 to 4 they can go home. And next our task is in the foundation stage itself comes 6 to 8. What about the 6 to 8? Is the daily routine for ages 6 to 8 would be slightly longer and little more structured, while for ages 3 to 6, all languages can be handled together. For this age group, dedicated time for each language is necessary. Specific blocks of time for literacy, numeracy, arts can be incorporated. L1 would need 90 minutes every day, and 1.2 would need 60, sorry, not 1.2, L2 would need 60 minutes, and mathematics and numeracy would require 60 minutes a day. These periods of time can be organized into blocks as described in chapter 4. So what about L1? What about L2? Let me say first like that. L1 means the language, the home language, the regional language, the local language, what the child started to learn, started to talk, started to listen the language, that is L1. And that L1 is known as that particular language, first language, home language, regional language, that we call it as L1. And what is the other language, second language they are studying in the school, that is L2. And third language is L3, and here L1, L2, they are what they are listening first, what they are talking first, that is L1, and second language is L2. And here also understand that according to the regions, whichever region, whichever state you are coming from, according to that you write the letters. Suppose it is Malayalam, E, like that, let them write and learn. That is the basic thing of national education policy. So from this 6 to 8, 6 to 8, I will continue in the next video. Anyway, that first of all, what is it? Once more I will talk about it, and regarding the time allocation also, I will tell you how the allocation of time can be. Thank you for the time being.